Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find romance books on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, I just want to mention on your device, open the app. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the lower bar and tap to the start button, the discover, and you can find the second section, the browse all, and you can find the first button, the romance. Click that, and here you can find different romantic novels and books, and you can find different categories: historical, paranormal, sci-fi, sweet, or others. And you can find different books. You can save that for later, or you can read that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.